Hey everyone, we at JustInMind are a full stack product development company. I work with mobile app clients and the development team at JustInMind to make the transitions from an idea to a product seem effortless and stress-free. This video is for the co-founders, startups, and UI devs out there. When building a mobile app, the most common element found to be problematic is a delay in delivery or delavery. We at JustInMind tackle this problem with a UI tool. SRS is a written format, but things now are becoming more visual. A visual layer gives you great perspective of how your app would look. If we build this visual layer first, it would help the technology team to know what exactly to build. Their dependency on the business side would become very less, eliminating delivery. The prototyping tool that I'll be using today is called JustInMind. Why JustInMind? Simply because it's free. When a business house or a startup approaches us at JustInMind, they have different ways in which communication is made initially. Some have their thoughts penned down on a piece of paper, and some have a SRS where the functionalities are written. Instead of running through a piece of document, a visual reference speeds things up and makes it clearer for everyone. The process of building an app is iterative, and say when someone approaches you with the idea written on a piece of paper, it's still very vague. We first visualize the idea using JustInMind. Today, I will be talking about the first stage. Now, I will go to justinmind.com and download their free software after the free sign up. The problem case is a startup in San Francisco where it wants to enable a customer through a mobile-based discovery platform through which a person looking for bridal services would be able to discover and book the service from a parlor closest to them. We have this as a requirement, then comes the workflow. The client explains that you can sign up using your social media account like Facebook. After logging in, they can choose a particular service and then see a map of service providers near that area that provide that service. The customer should then be able to select a service provider, see the profile, and book the parlor all from the mobile app. So guys, as per our requirements, I'd like to show you my regular sign-up screen. I fill in my details and upload a picture. It takes me to the main landing screen. As you can see, it's not just a wallpaper, but an interactive screen. I click on the elements and it simulates an action. The next screen, I choose my options. From the list of services, I see my location on a map. Set the date, time, and radius to view my other options. It gives me a list of services on a map, but I would like to see more. I make my decision. Proceed to pay. I have my online wallet set up. Now I get my confirmation. I can't choose more services, but this is the basic flow. I'm going to show you guys how I build it. First, I'll need a blank screen. A text box that says your logo goes here. Can be dragged from the list of elements available. It's that easy. Two buttons, one for the Facebook login and the other one for the sign up button. We've already more than half done with our screen. We just need to add two form boxes, one for the username and one for the password. We're already done with our first screen. You can always come back, add backgrounds, images, and rearrange the layout. There are about 8 screens required for building up the app, and this is how I have built it through the visual flow. This is stage 1. It's not going to look its very best, but it's a visual input, a starting prototype. This prototype would help you in saving time and avoiding delivery. Either the customer can do this themselves, or when we start out a project with a customer, we help them build out a prototype first. The second stage of iteration is when you get feedback from the markets. It's a detailed iteration where you get feedback from the mentors, the community around you, or the consumer. The majority of development happens during this stage. The third stage is where you discover the core functionality. My name is Amanjeet, and I'm a business consultant at JustInMind Technologies. Our areas of expertise are big data, mobile apps, and web apps. If you are interested in building such solutions, do check out the link in the description below.